This is Dan Gritsko, and I am at the end of the Smoke Hole Cavern. You can look up there a little bit. And then coming back this way, it's just super amazing to see all these formations. As I said in the other videos, God shows his handiwork in the creation of how the chemistry, the physics, and the biology of the natural world come together. Stalactites, stalagmites. This is just an incredible testimony to how God has created the natural world around us. Science looks in wonder, as do all of us, as we understand the creation. It testifies to the majesty of God as I walk through the Smoke Hole Cavern here. One of many, many caverns, not only in our country, but around the world, that show how over long time periods things are even moved and changed related to rocks. And this incredible view, again, of this area is just stunning as we look here in Smoke Hole Cavern. Some cute little explanations related to this majestic and amazing location.